What's going on, Seaport? It's Pac-Man Jones with Savannah Seaport News, and man, it looks like niggas just keep on getting locked up in Chatham County because a Chatham County grand jury has indicted 9 niggas accused of violating the Racketeering, Influence, and Corrupt Organization Act, aka Rico, and 1 person accused of theft by receiving stolen property after 41 cars were stolen from 8 Savannah dealerships and collision centers in 2017. Now, starting in December of 2017, the gang unit began an investigation into several auto thefts and car dealerships that involved burglaries. And throughout a year-long investigation in collaboration with the DA's office, they were able to bring forth an indictment last week. Savannah Police Department Sergeant Jonathan Pula says it was 71 counts involving 9 defendants. Now, these 9 people that you see on the screen are all accused of violating the Rico Act, and each faces additional charges ranging from burglary, theft by taking, entering, auto, financial transaction, card fraud, and theft by taking. Well, now what the government officials are now releasing about the information is that they weren't necessarily gang members, but at the beginning of the investigation they thought that they were gang members. That's what led to the Rico indictment in the first place. But the 10th person, Larry Young, isn't included in the Rico charge, but is accused in the indictment of theft by receiving a stolen 2017 Infiniti SUV taken from Chatham Parkway Toyota. Krista Rader is one of the theft victims. She dropped off her SUV to Chatham Parkway Collision Center for a repair, and at the end of the summer in 2017. And when she called to check and see if the car was ready to be picked up, you know how everybody else do, you know, when you drop your car off to see, you know, just for like an oil change, you know, for a car alignment, and you know, you probably call back a few days later. Well, they had some news for her that it was fixed, but it was stolen at the same time because some niggas got that shit. But it turns out that Raider wasn't the only person who had a car stolen and wasn't at that only dealership that was having this problem. Now, the indictment lists burglaries at Fairway Lincoln Mazda, Chatham Parkway Collision Center, Gerber Collision Center, Savannah Hyundai, Kia Country of Savannah, Granger Nissan, Volvo of Savannah, and Baton Nissan in Savannah. The indictment also says that a car from a car dealership in Okatee, South Carolina, from a Chevrolet dealership, Okatee, South Carolina, that's pretty much right outside of Bluffton, was actually brought into the state of Georgia. So that also got other law agencies from different states that got themselves into the investigation. So, and it looks like the GTA style type heist has finally came to an end. I mean, it was pretty elaborate. I mean, if you had the folks looking at you for a year straight, I mean, it looks like they wasn't that smart enough, you know, to keep their trails clean. But, you know, we'll see how much time these guys will get in the near future. But any other updates about this and any other news that I talked about in the past, I'll let y'all know as well. But that's it. Stay blessed.